clothing sale season is coming. And if your store is a clothing shop, don't miss out this opportunity to easily create a high-converting PageFly sale banner that sells your customers your bestest outfit for sale events like Coachella. Here's how you can do it. First up, know your banner images. There are two types of banner images, background image and hero image. And for each type, it results in one type of banner. Let's go through both of them. Please ensure that all images prominently feature the products you sell. This is an example of a banner with background image. To replicate this, simply add in a 1:1 section layout. Then select this section, go to Styling, scroll down and select Background Image here. Another type is a banner using a hero image. Now, we use a half-section layout. On one side, put in a heading and a short paragraph. On another, add in your hero image. Please note that for each type of banner image, there is an optimized dimension setting for it which you can see on screen here. And finally, you can even combine both types to make a fusion banner. Next, add a countdown timer. Have your visitors feel the FOMO and urge to make a purchase right away with a countdown timer? Simply go to Add Elements, select Countdown, and drag and drop one of 3 styles in. There are lots of settings, but you'll only need to care about the timer's start and timer's end. Set them according to your promotion campaign's duration. Then, go to Styling tab and adjust its appearance to suit your sale banner. Now, you can't have a sale banner without a CTA button. With the help of PageFly's button element, guiding your visitors towards the next step is a piece of cake. Go to Add Elements, select Button, then drag and drop one of any available styles. Then, change the text within the button. Let's say Shop Now. And assign a click action to your button. Here I choose Go to URL and pick my best-selling collection to show them. Voila! Your sale banner is now complete. But we're not done yet. Let's optimize the sale banner for mobile view, too. Click this drop-down menu on the top and switch to mobile view. You'll notice some elements are a bit out of place. Don't worry, just go to Styling tab and change their position, size, color to however you like. I'll demonstrate with mine here. Congrats! You now have a wonderful, high-converting sale banner that can potentially skyrocket your clothing sales this Coachella. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.